here's how to unlock chat in Roblox. So the first step is to go to your settings, and then we're gonna have to go to account info. Now scroll down, and then we're gonna have to go to personal and check our age group. In some cases, you're gonna have to complete a verification. If you want to completely fast, click on continue with camera. Now here, we're gonna have to scan our face. So we can either use our computer webcam, or we can click on continue on another device, and then we just have to scan this QR code to basically scan our face. So we're gonna have to simply scan it. Now I'm going to use my webcam. Now, as you can see, after the scan, it will estimate our age. So based on our age, we'll be able to use the chat. Now, after it's done, what we're gonna have to do is simply go to privacy and content restrictions, then go to communication, experience chat, and then simply turn this on. So basically that's all you have to do. Thanks for watching.